What's up, you guys? So, when we're getting into my collection, I actually do have a lot of toys, and I want to make this bin completely full. Yeah, I'm gonna get on Amazon tonight, order maybe a Fidget toy pack, or order $30, something like that worth, because that's one thing I will spend money on is Fidget toys. So those are my head toys. There's a lot in here, and there's small ones really. And I do have this other one. It's this Fidget spinner, and it's from Amazon. It came in a kit. How legendary it is, but it's just pretty. It's so pretty, and it's spinner. I do not let anyone play with this. I keep it here. I put it here. I don't let anyone play with this, and I don't want people going through this because this is very, very, very special. Because it's very, very legendary. That's why I don't have it in my Fidget toy collection. But it is a Fidget toy. I just don't have it in the collection because it's very legendary. And this is going to be a long video. I apologize if it's a long video. And also, I have that whole light bin down there. Right there. It's all squishies. But I have way too many squishies to fit. If I add all the squishies in here, it's full already. I added 5 in here, but not all of them are in here. But this is the bin. This is the nice bid. My hand is big. So let's do a little thing. I'm trying to so it's not too long. I'm gonna show you guys them, and I'm gonna rate them, so you guys can It's very weird how I'm on my bed, but my cat is right here. I want to second. Yeah, I'll do this. And I'll just pick it up from the floor. Yes. But yeah. Let's start rating them. So first we're gonna start with if I remember before I got them, I'll tell you guys. This is a blue hair critter. You know what a hair critter is? They're kind of hard to explain. I don't really remember what they are. I don't know what they are. I just know that they're really fun little toys. This has a little knot go on a back thing, and there's just this here on it, and then there's actually a light up ball inside of it here. The light up ball inside, and it lights up, and then you can just squish it, and it's just air. It's just air, but it's just normal. It's just air. There's nothing in it, but it's super fun to play with. So I rate this 7 out. I rate this an 8 out of 10. I like it. I don't like what's in it. I don't like. Okay, I'm rating it an 8 because I don't like this. If it didn't have the ball in it, it would be a 10 out of 10 probably. I don't like the ball because it kind of gets away and squishing it. But it's super fun. 8 out of 10. I got this from Walgreens or CVS. It was either Walgreens or CVS. I don't remember, but one of those two. And then I have my orange Pop-It. This is it. I got it from Amazon. And let me just pop it for you guys. How do you guys go here? I don't really pop it on the camera. It's how many is there? So I got it from Amazon because it's my first ever Pop-It that I ever got. How many right here? Okay, hold on. If you want to, pause the video, and count how many Pop-Its this has, you're welcome. So if you want to pause the video and see how many Pop-Its this has, go right ahead. I'll do for a second. Okay. If you want to do it, you can, but they're from Amazon. I rate that, a 9.5. We'll see if they were. It's a 9.5 because yeah, 9.5. I have a squishy. This is a watermelon. It's super smooth, and it looks like this. Look, that's it. It's soft and it's so squishy. That's so right at the end of it. it's darker in camera, but on like in person, but the camera makes it look light. Also, this is darker, but the camera looks like light, and this is a lot lighter in person, but the camera makes it look dark. But it was on Amazon. When I got this, it was like during the winter times. It was like frozen when I got it, but it's so cute. I rated it a 9.5, not a 10. No, sorry. I rated 10. This is my best one. I really like this one, and it's with it's so rising. And it's just a little crappy, but I don't care. 10, 10, 10. First 10 this way. And then we have Poppet 2. We have a blue, a pink one, an orange one, and a purple one. If you don't know what Poppet 2s are, let me explain. You just take them and you go like this. And they get super long compared them to normal size. They get really long. And then you just like, I got these at Five Below. It was at Five Below, $5 probably, and I would rate these a 7.5. They're not my favorite because they're kind of loud, but they are still kind of fun to play with. They're fun, but they're kind of loud. And then I have another Poppet. It's this like purple, blue, and green together tight. And I have it. Hold on. I got this at 5 and Below. Five Below, and this is a 9 because it's an odd shape. Sorry. Yeah. And then I have just a green Nido. I need to go faster. I need to go faster. I need to go faster. I have the green Nido. Got this on Amazon. I'm not sure. I think Amazon. I'm not sure. 9. I have this to 9. And then I have these monkey. Always monkey Nidos. I have a yellow one. And so the yellow and blue one is this pattern. The red and pink are like this pattern. You have the difference. And then the green and blue pokey. I went to Five Below for 5 of them. And I don't know if I do. And they just like, take them. You can like stretch them and like make them into shapes and do whatever you want with them. Basically, it's really fun. Five Below. 9.5, not a 10, but it's still really good. Let me know if you want me to do like a top 10 favorite fidgets. I will definitely do that tonight. And then I have this blue super stress ball. And it's like with the wheel in it. It's here. This is my face. It's like this is my hand. It's going on. What I'm trying to say. And then at 5 Below. 5 and Below, sorry. I keep talking when I'm switching it, and you guys can't hear it. It's so hard to hear me. But I got this on Article 10. It's really fun. And then I have this squishy. I got this on Amazon. The mango, the came off of one is slow. Oh, just dropped it. It's the right thing. No, hold on, shit. This one thing, it's Amazon. I give it a 9.5. Amazon 9.5 because now we're on to all the stars. We kind of have the big ones out of the way. Alright, put here. This is another Nido. It's the yellow one, and it has. This one is the plain one. This one is basically this, but has this stuff around it. This, it's like got this on. Got this at American Eagle. And I watching a video. You didn't decide anything. So my mom just got home from work, so she's like, "What's everyone?" But I got these ones that are smaller. They're the same monkey. I'm not sure I got these from. I don't know, same thing, but look at the difference. They're really skinny. And I'm not sure they're from maybe Amazon. No. Got this really pretty color. Oh my god. It's a heart. And oh my god, it keeps flinging out of my hand. The pretty color slinky. And Five Below. You can like squish them. They're really fun. And they have Wacky Jacks. This color. I think Amazon, I'm not really sure. Yeah, fun. I have a Tangle. This is the color. I think Amazon, not sure. I'm sorry. I haven't been rating them. These are all how they rate an 8 because they're all smaller. Wacky Track, probably 9.5. This probably like a 6. No, probably like a 7.5. This probably like a 9 if I didn't rate it. Tangle will probably be like a 9 or 8. No, an 8.5. No, yeah, 8.5. And then this one is a bigger one from at CVS. I rate this like a 6 because it is fun, but it's too big. Like this one's super small. It moves around a lot faster, but this one's so small you really can't move around. So it's gonna be a 6. You know, it's really fun. It's just kind of big. And it's really red from Amazon. I rated it like a 6.5. 6.5 because they're not like that cool anymore. They're just trying to fit in. 6.5 because they are still fun, but not as fun as I would. And then I have mini ones like this red one. These ones are just normal. I think they're both going at the same time, but it's hard because I don't run. I'm gonna do it. That'll cut me up the long video, guys. I'm really sorry. I think Amazon, other ones over here, but there's too many. I don't know. Same. Probably a 7 because they are smaller. So they're funnier than the big one. 3 marble meshes, which is the color I have. They're nice side. I'll show you the blue one, or red, purple one. So they're just like where you can like, alright, they highlight a 9. They're fun, but not 10. Or yeah. And then pea poppers. I do not like pea poppers. They're not fun. I used to have 2, and I lost the other one, so I'm not mad about. I don't like the other one. And they're okay right there. But that's how they work. You're looking on it, and you like pop them up. Oh, the head's this way. I'll rate this a 1. I rate a piece out from Amazon. I would rate it a 1. Some of you guys might love pea poppers, but I, in my opinion, do not like them. That's they got like a set. And then I have this, what do you call them? I found 8.5. 8.5 is why not. And then I have this 2-bite chain and 1-bite chain. One of my favorites is the color I have. Show you red. And you just like push it through, and I rate this probably a 10. It's be a 10. I haven't had many 10s, so that's pretty good for you, 10. And then I have some mini squishies. I have this mini donut. This one. It's on Amazon. And I rate those like a 6.5. They're kind of fun, but they're kind of small. Like, yeah, let me just drop these out. They're really small ones, so there's a few. I have one of these. Amazon. A mini pop face, a little doggy. And it's tiring. This at Walgreens. How can you know I ripped it off because it kind of got annoying. We got this at Walgreens. I rate this probably like a 7 because it's small and the pots aren't that good. But whatever. And then I have a cube. Got this like when I got this when like at my fidget center. So probably like a 5 because they aren't that fun. But I have it because I've had that one for like 6 years now. And I have this mini, which is like a little top. Probably like a 5 because it's kind of small. That fun, but I thought it'd still count as a collection. I'm gonna have that put them away when I show you guys them. Let's start putting them away right now. So I left it. I'll probably go on Amazon probably tonight and order some more. I really want to. So probably look out for a toy haul coming in the next like 3-4 days or soon. So yeah. Mochi, sorry, I'm still panda, the pin kind of coming off, but this Panda Mochi and the dog print, that's on Amazon, and this one's from Dollar Tree. This one's from Dollar Tree. This one's gonna be like, is that far? And this is on Amazon, and it can't be like that. So, I don't know how to rate it, probably a 9.5. No, I'd probably rate them an 8 because they're kind of small, but they're really fun. And then I already rate that one. This lizard, that's not really a fidget, but I can't fidget like this. And I don't know, I rate like a 3. It's kind of, it's not that much fun, but it's a fidget. I rate like a 5.3. So then I have this like bouncy ball, but I can't fidget because there's the hair on that, ew. But you can like, it's kind of like a sensory toy. It feels really good. And it's actually like a 6. It's super small. Probably a 6. Good at this one. I think you found it. It's not really a bouncing ball, but it's still fun. Like a 6 probably. And probably one of my favorites, which I have, or this one I have, is an Orbeez ball. So it's like a, oh god, I dropped it. Oh my goodness. But it's like this, and you just squish it. Always come out. So much fun. It's like, feels really good. I got this at Five Below, and I rate this a 9.9. We're rating a 10, why not? Like, I was gonna do 9.9, and like that's 1 point from 10. So we'll just do 10. One of my favorites, fun. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a lot. I love this one. If I had to do my top 3 favorites, fidget toys are probably this one, Five Below, my green Nido, and bike chains. Like crawling your finger to me, like finger, it's really fun. I don't know if you could, I don't know. But that's probably my 3rd. So you have first, 2nd, 3rd. This will be my 4th. First, the thing is the biggest one. I have to go with my first one. So yeah, I hope to film this soon. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and the bell. So I posted a video, and if you guys did, pause. If you guys do want to pause, you can count how many things I have. This one thing only has like 5. This one has 6 in it. If you want to count how many these ones had, go ahead. Pause it and count it. Here's the first Poppet. If you wanted to pause it, there's the first one. And here's the other one. If you wanted to pause the video and count how many each these have, go ahead. Okay, if you did it, good for you. There's no way you can really tell me because there's no comment video, so really that's kind of, but there's no way you guys can tell me because you guys can't comment, but just keep to yourself. There's no way you can tell me, but I've actually never counted, but I should count at the end of the video, but yeah, yeah, see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I have to show Lucky because he's the star of the video. So today is Monday, and he's turning 9 on Sunday. I had Reggie and my dog in my other video. I have Bo and Reggie. Reggie, my dog, is turning 3 tomorrow. But yeah, that's it. So you guys could know that because his birthday is like 5 days. It's like 6, but whatever.